In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to the background in Wix Studio. Let's dive right in and make your site look stunning with just a few simple steps. First, start by selecting the section where you intend to add your background image. It's crucial to have a good idea of where you want the image to enhance your site's visual appeal, so ensure you're selecting the right section for this task. Just click directly on that section in your Wix Studio editor. Once you've clicked on the section where you want your background image, you'll need to open the Inspector panel. You'll find the Open Inspector icon conveniently located at the top right corner of the editor. Give that a click, and the Inspector panel will pop open, ready for you to work your magic. This panel is your go-to for making changes and adjustments to the design elements within your section. Now let's move on to adding your image background. Within the Inspector panel, look for the Media section. Here, you'll click on the plus Add Image or Video option. This opens up a world of possibilities for customizing your section. Whether you're seeking a personalized touch with an image from your own computer or prefer to explore and use a free image, you're in the right place. If you have an image on your computer that you'd love to showcase, simply upload it by selecting Upload. It's as easy as that. Alternatively, if you're in the mood to explore some pre-existing options, you can choose from a wide array of images available from sources like Wix, Unsplash, or Shutterstock. These platforms offer a great diversity of images for you to pick from, ensuring you find the perfect one that resonates with your site's theme. Once your image has been added, it's time to make sure it looks just right with some adjustments. Click on Change Background. This will allow you to tweak the settings and ensure your image fits perfectly. Tap on Settings to further customize your choice. You have a variety of options here, including setting a focal point to ensure the most important part of the image is always visible, no matter the screen size. This is particularly useful for keeping the most striking part of your image in view. Additionally, you can adjust the opacity. This allows you to control how transparent or bold your image appears in the background. If you're looking for that subtle effect, reduce the opacity to blend the image seamlessly into the design. You can also choose fitting options to determine how the image will fill your section. And let's not forget the scroll effects. If you're aiming for that dynamic look, consider applying effects like parallax. It can add a sophisticated touch to your site, giving your visitors a visually engaging experience. And there you have it, folks. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a visually stunning site. Happy designing!